Usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jalau badai kmi ia katanat kampo yeng uba Preston tensong ulaong. Bola persang keli syapang Meban Syam snaitang hendrai ki paralok MLA jong u ki ong ba Kyndon jing Ithuh ba udei ua. Kumban syukudau ba Meban Syam snaitang lakem da ki pulet ka East Khasi Hills District namar ka jingle VIP klam ki Kyndon haringkat ki jingkeno ba udon kti ban thok ya ki briu. Ringkat Meban Syam lakem ya khatar ngot ki bodyguard jong u bat na lightly ki kali ramdor la kurup ya ki airgun ki walkie talkie ki air pistol bat ki weipat ki tiar. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor ha ka khandai terunai lur araja arpusan uba Preston tensong ulaong balada dei ua ru u haban yat bat ki Kyndon om ban le bahe tang badan Jingïadei bat ki badon bor.
Why we have to pick up this fellow? It's because of that only. And now I've given the instruction, not only today, but we have given the instruction to the police headquarters as well as to all the SPs to again go all out to see people who illegally use, be it black tinted glasses or be it the siren or be it anything which is not as per the prescribed regulation of the government.
So, in fact, there are reports that this person is close to some politician and he is planning to contest an election. So,
I still don't believe to that statement. I don't know from where did you get that source. I was also trying to ask my colleague, even politician, whether you are close to this man or not. But nobody knows at all. So therefore, don't just again come to a conclusion with that statement made by anybody. I don't know. But what I'm trying to tell you is, no matter what, whether you are close with A or B or C or D who is in power, but you have to go as per the prescribed norms, as per the prescribed rule.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya